everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Jiomeet application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Tap open your Play Store to begin. In the search box that appears at the very top, type in Jiomeet and search. You'll be able to see the application at the very top displayed on the screen. Tap on the app to see further information about the application. On the next page, tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Wait until the app gets downloaded on your Android device and you'll be able to operate the application once it's completed. Jiomeet is an Indian free video conferencing application which can be used for one-to-one video calls and hosting meetings with up to 100 participants with enterprise-grade host controls. Soon after the application gets downloaded and installed on your Android device, you should see an open button popping up. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Jiomeet application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.